Welcome, space travelers, to another episode of Curiosity Killed the Quark, where we dive into the cosmic abyss of knowledge. Today, we're unraveling one of the universe's biggest what-if questions. Wormholes, those pesky little shortcuts that may or may not let you skip the intergalactic traffic. But hold on, it's not as simple as taking a cosmic Uber. We've got exotic matter, potential doom, and a sprinkle of time travel paradoxes. Ready to get sucked in? Let's go. So, what is a wormhole anyway? Imagine if the universe was a giant piece of paper, and you could fold it in half, stick a pencil through it, and voila, a wormhole, a shortcut through space, time, and all those things that make physicists giggle with glee. Of course, that's just the easy part. The tricky part is not getting crushed, stretched, or lost forever in the cosmic abyss. But hey, no pressure. Wormholes aren't just a sci-fi fantasy. Einstein and his buddy Rosen cooked up this idea with their theory of relativity. Yes, that's the same Einstein who made you hate math in school. But what's really going on? General relativity says, why not? And quantum mechanics says, hold my beer. Weirdly enough, if you mix them together, you get something as stable as your morning coffee after a bad night's sleep, meaning not very. But theoretically, it's still possible. Let's break it down. We've got two types of wormholes, traversable and non-traversable. Think of them like roads. One you can actually drive through, and the other, well, you'll just crash and burn. Cue fiery explosion. Traversable wormholes are like the ultimate cosmic road trip. You enter one mouth, zoom through the throat, and, if you're lucky, pop out somewhere else. If you're unlucky, well, you're probably not watching this video. Now let's talk anatomy of a wormhole, that is. It's got two mouths and a throat, but it's not about to sing you a lullaby. No, it's about to bend the fabric of space and time. Fancy stuff, right? But to make it work, you need exotic matter. Stuff so weird, it's like the cosmic version of a hipster cafe. No one's really sure what it is, but we think it's got negative energy and is crucial for keeping that wormhole open, so you don't get squished. So how do you get a wormhole in the first place? Well, no one's really sure, but theories include collapsing stars, quantum foam, or maybe some bored alien civilization with way too much time on their hands. It's like the universe's version of DIY, just on a galactic scale. If we ever do find or build a stable wormhole, the possibilities are endless. Want to visit another galaxy? Just hop in. Late for work? Too bad wormholes aren't on Earth yet. And if time travel is your thing, you might just get to see the dinosaurs. Or your awkward high school self. But before you start packing your bags, remember, energy requirements are so massive, you might need to borrow the power of a few stars. No biggie, right? Now here's the catch. Creating or even finding a wormhole isn't just about pushing a few buttons. You'd need exotic matter, stuff we're not even sure exists, plus the energy output of, say, 1 billion suns. So yeah, it's a bit of a challenge. But don't give up hope yet. Scientists are working on it, or at least thinking about working on it. Until then, keep those sci-fi dreams alive. So how do we find one? Great question. We've got some ideas, but nothing concrete yet. It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack, if that haystack was the size of the Milky Way. Scientists look for gravitational anomalies, weird light patterns, or anything else that screams, hey, I'm a wormhole! But so far, nada. Guess the universe likes to keep its secrets. Here's where it gets really fun. Philosophy. If we start zipping through wormholes, what happens to time? Can we change the past? Should we even try? It's like a cosmic game of what if, with very high stakes. And as for the ethics, well, let's just say if you start playing with the universe's fabric, you might want to have a good lawyer, or at least a decent alibi. Wormholes aren't just for physicists with a penchant for impossible math. They've also become a staple in sci-fi movies, books, and TV shows. Remember that time in Interstellar when Matthew McConaughey took a wild ride through one? Yeah, wormholes have been saving and ruining cinematic universes for decades. Of course, Hollywood loves to bend the rules. No exotic matter needed, just a dash of CGI and a bucket of popcorn. But hey, it's all in good fun. Who wouldn't want to take a quick wormhole detour on the way to work? Just imagine the possibilities. Honey, I'm late because I got stuck in a time loop. So, where do we go from here? While wormholes are still theoretical, they're a tantalizing possibility that keeps scientists up at night. Seriously, they've got coffee machines running 24/7 in some labs. Future research might unlock the secrets of quantum gravity. Or maybe we'll find a way to create a stable wormhole, opening the door to interstellar travel and new physics. But until then, keep dreaming big and looking up at the stars. Just be sure to check for wormholes before you make any sudden travel plans. If wormholes do exist, they could revolutionize our understanding of the universe. We'd have to rethink everything, from the nature of space-time to the very fabric of reality. Imagine wormholes as cosmic Swiss Army knives, capable of slicing through the universe and opening new dimensions of exploration. It's the ultimate what-if scenario, a mind-bending, space-twisting possibility that could change everything we know about the cosmos. So, stay curious, stay hopeful, and remember, the universe is far stranger than we can imagine. That's all for today's Cosmic Deep Dive. Wormholes may be the stuff of theoretical dreams, but they're also a reminder of just how vast and mysterious our universe really is. If you enjoyed this journey through space and time, hit that subscribe button and let's keep exploring the unknown together. No exotic matter required.